My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of the Coleman twin camping cot. As you can see behind me, there's really no difference between the two of them, but trust me, there's one major flaw in it, and I've only used this cot for 4 years. So let's go ahead and get to it. So as you can see, there's really no difference, right, between the one on the left and the one on the right. The one on the left is actually the brand new one, and the one on the right is my old one that I've been using for several years now. So you can see where both of these have pros, but there's a one giant con, and it's something that I'm gonna have to write to Coleman about because of this flaw. So the only flaw that I see really is this. So it does dry rot and start to rip after a time of extended use. And I think it's because that when this V folds up, this kind of, it almost like pulls this apart and it rips it basically. So that's what happened with mine. I'm not too sure if anybody else is experiencing similar things with the Coleman products, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and, send them a strongly worded letter, and let me see if I can't get a brand new one or something along those lines, because I love Coleman products. I want to keep using them, but if they're only gonna last 2 years, that's not worth it in my eyes, And you can see the other side as well, how it's separated from there. I was kind of wondering why my butt was sagging so much the last time, and I started to notice this, and it just easily rips. So it's a little unfortunate, and I hope this new one, I hope this one stands up, but you can see here, with this type of stitching, how it could rip along that line there, because this pulls it apart basically. So, but anyways, okay, so that's it. I just wanted to show you kind of the differences between the two. You're not seeing double. I do actually have 2 of them. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you enjoyed it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. God, they're so loud. Wow.